Right, here we go. So bring this in closer. Just received this. This is a package that I have had sent from America. So, and it includes some new razors. We have the halftime razor, we have the Shick Fab razor with the cartridge, and also an Omnishaver razor. So my friend over in America has sent this over. Very nice of them, and looking forward to doing it. Now, what's special about these is these are all designed with blades which are facing both directions, so it's supposed to save you half the time on your shave, as it were. So I've blacked out all the postal information and that, but apart from that, that's that. So let's have an open, see what it's like inside, and see what goodies we have just received. Okay, so my friend appears to have sent me a little letter which I will read through later. So this is the box where he's got me my halftime razor, as it were. So as you can see, it's got the blades on both sides. I believe this uses the Dorco blades. So, and you're supposed to hold it like this. Here we go. So we got a Fab razor handle. It's all plastic. Okay, let's have a look and see what we've got in here. I'm assuming this is a cartridge for it. Yep. So here's the cartridge. As you can see, it's got blades that way, and it has blades facing the other way. Interesting. It appears to be 3 facing in one direction, but only 2 facing in the other direction. So it's a 5-bladed cartridge. I was expecting it to have equal amount of blades on both sides. It's Shick, as you know, is the American version of Wilkinson's sword, and as you can see, it's got the little roll bars on there, so it's using the same blades that they use on their hydro system, as it were. What's the connection? I didn't see. Is it using? Yes, it looks like even the rocker system is the same as the hydro rocker system. But they're using a connector which is similar to the Gillette Mach 3 and the Venus. So I imagine this is going to fit onto a standard Venus handle. So I will look into that when we get it. And then new kiddie on the block, as it were. Let's have a look. So ooh, look at this. Wow. So, feeling the material, I have a feeling this has been 3D printed. So, what we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades in both directions, it appears. They're all spot welded. Looking at the back of the cartridge, they all appear to be spring loaded as well. So this is certainly going to be an interesting one. Oh, I like that. That's a bit of good design. So it pivots sideways as well. So I think you're supposed to hold it like that, or you might hold it like that. So there's the unboxing. So we have 3 razors from America, all designed for cutting in both directions. I look forward to reviewing these at some later date.